Hi guys, welcome back to my channel MI Tutorial. I've been posting a lot of tutorials on my channel for you guys to help understand Excel. So one such tutorial I'm making today which is posted by Zoltan Hengen in the Microsoft Excel group on Facebook. His query is basically he needs a formula to use in the cell G3, which is the final salary column, to multiply salary, which is in B3, by 1.5 times if both C3 and E3, that is the month 1 unit sold and month 2 unit sold values, are larger than 10 to give result as 150. So basically he wants a formula to multiply the salary 1.5 times if they have sold more than 10 units in these 2 months. So I have the data set created over here. So let's begin with writing this formula. I will be using the if and statement. So let's begin. I'm going to say is equals to type in if, open bracket, and I'm going to type in and. I'm going to open the bracket and I'm going to say if this is greater than 10, comma, if this is greater than 10, I'm going to close the bracket. I'm going to type in comma and say this multiplied by 1.5. Okay, and I'm going to type in comma again here. This is my false argument. So if this is not greater than, if these two are not greater than 10, then just return me the base salary, do not multiply anything. I'm going to close the bracket here, press enter. So, and I'm going to copy the formula over here. So as you can see, since this is meeting the condition, both of these units have been sold, the values are more than 10. That's why this formula has been multiplied by 1.5 times. Now let's say, for example, if this is 11 and if this is 9, what happens? Then it automatically goes back to 100 because we have used the AND formula here. AND formula basically checks that both of these conditions are met, and the results are here. Now if I, let's say if I change this to 20, this automatically goes back to 150. I hope this video has helped you. You have learned something new, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.